Hi, today I cleaned the fridge. I just wanted to show you. This is the first layer. This one I kept eggs in this. As you all know, this one I bought it in the Amazon. Yeah, I have showed it in the previous blog, I think so. And this one I kept it in the steel container. This is a wheat dough, chapati dough, and this one is the vegetable cut vegetable. I have kept it in this. As you all know, this one is the pickle rack. My Karma Yogi, my husband, likes pickle. And this one is atta. That is dosa batter. And few whichever this hadai batter I have kept. And these are vegetables. Vegetable rack. We shouldn't use plastic bags. And this is tomato, garlic, and chili. I have kept it in this this last rack. And this side is cheese, coconut milk, and I kept it in this box. And this box I kept it empty is half liter milk. We will keep it in this after washing the packet. We will keep it in this box. This is my medicine. And this one is boxes for flour, and this cover is for lemon. And the last rack is for ketchup, soya sauce, and other ketchup and tomato, garlic, and other things. Yeah. And this side, this is freezer section. This side I don't use what do you call processed food, but my Kuti Devadai also doesn't use but once in a while if her friends comes home, she uses. This is chocolates, children favorite chocolates. And this is dry fruits, full of nuts, dry fruits rack. This is coffee powder. And this is gram flour, wheat flour, rice flour, and suji. I have kept it in this. And this one, this is butter, and that savige, yeah, that one, yeah. As you all know, I keep one napkin over here just to clean if something spills. And this is one doormat I have kept. If something spills on the floor. Yeah. This vlog, I just wanted to show it.